Hey everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmatov. Imagine you have a page and it has a couple of input boxes with numbers. You want to confirm that if you take the first box, get its value, parse it as a number, then get the second box, parse it, its value, get the number, and then look at the result, then the sum of two numbers a and b, in this case 2 and 3, is really equal to 5. Now, anytime you get something from a page in Cypress, you have to use cy.then to pass the value into the callback so that you can use its value. Now, this becomes a pyramid of doom. So in this case, we're getting the first value, we get cy.then and indent by 1, then the second number, again cy.then, and then we get the result, and it's a third level. The traditional way to solve pyramid of doom is to use aliases. For example, you can get the first value and save it as an alias A, and then flatten one level of a pyramid. Get the second value and save it as an alias B, and then you can remove another level. Well, how do you get A and B into the last callback? Because you need those values now. Well, instead of our function, you can use function syntax. In this case, all properties like A and B, all aliases, will be available as a property on this object. Check this out. Okay, so all you have to do after you set the alias, at some point after a Cypress command, just use cy.then and provide a function callback. By the way, an easy way to print the numbers that you store in the alias right here is to add an assertion. For example, you can say should be a number, okay? Or you can say should be finite, even shorter, okay? So the same thing for the next alias. You don't have to have an alias. You can say, okay, right here, let's say you can get the result and it contains this.a as this.b. Okay, so in this case you can remove the first part. Okay, remove a result. Actually, not cy.get, cy.contains. Contains. Okay, so we're getting the values and then we're immediately using those values to find the element and check its text. If you can use beforeEach hook, then it becomes even simpler. The hook executes before the test. So in the hook, we can do the following. We're gonna visit the page and we're gonna move creating the aliases there. Well, we need this cy.then and the function syntax. Well, the easiest thing to do is to use function syntax for the test callback. And then every alias set before that test starts will be available as a property of this object. One last optimization that I would do in this test is to avoid using invoke, get, parse, int, and so on. If you use an input and it's a number, well, you can use a special property in the browser. You can say should have value as number. Okay, and the same thing right here. Perfect. So the same test, but look how clean and easy to read it is right now.